Just pressure wash the bottom. Gonna get this all undercoated. Built a little jig here for the bed, easy to roll it around. Both of these items are, and the doors, which are up there, and the fender, are going to the soda blaster, and they're going to soda blast it and put a coat of epoxy primer on it. When I get it back, I'll probably set the cab on here, do the brake lines. The only thing I haven't done so far in this chassis is the brakes, and that is coming soon. So that's all for today. Quick update. Beautiful hot day here in South Haven, Michigan.